Hello, Liam.
Hello, Matthew.
What are we doing in here? Cleaning everything.
I'm just cleaning things and deleting things. Like I got rid of these.
Oh yeah, those dumb hoses.
This one's already bent.
Yeah, we don't need that.
And I'm just trying to think of things that I can delete that I don't need anymore. Because there's so many things that have been pulled out of this car. Bracketry.
I can get that that battery one off.
You do want to get that off now?
Yeah, get it off.
I was thinking also we might relocate this. Because it's like so close to the turbo.
Yeah.
And
where else would you locate it?
I don't know.
There's no room over here.
I don't know.
I think there's the best spot. There's no other spot for it.
But yeah, the motor should be back in today.
Yeah,
pretty
easily.
Mostly ready to just throw on a few extra accessories and start.
We need to get oil and coolant for it though.
Yeah, that could be next week.
Yeah.
But we've done this.
Yep.
Look at that.
Sicker mounts.
Sicker, solid engine mounts.
Yep.
So that all of the power from our 660 goes from the motor to the ground.
How many horsepower do you reckon we're gaining from that, Liam?
We're not going to gain any horsepower, but we're going to gain... Actually, no, we might even gain horsepower. Because all of the energy that you generate is now going from there to there. Not
instead
from
of there and a little bit of twist.
That motor moves so much. Chris was saying our motor was like our mounts were cactus, but now they're better than
Better
factory.
than cactus.
You couldn't buy a mount that was that solid.
No, you couldn't. Unless you
used
bought
most of the
solid
tube, I
mount.
assume.
No, hardly any.
Well,
but
ready for another solid engine mount.
our motor is looking almost brand new. Like this is how it would have come out of the factory, like mint looking and stuff.
It has
A little bit of gunk on it. The factory would have had a little bit of gunk.
We've spent hours and hours cleaning this
New
thing.
sump, bolts all torqued up by hand. Like, I mean to...
Was your hand
to
telling you the
correct torque, hand torquing. And then same with the flywheel and clutch, heavy duty clutch that we've got.
Look how easy that's spinning. Look at it, just wants boost. Look at it. It just wants.
Look at them. Oh, boom.
Boost,
They're so keen.
Boost, 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 boost.
Yeah, it's ready. I got the timing belt on the bottom one. We just need to put the head on, but we're going to do that after we put the bottom end in the car because we'll be able to access all the bolts for the bell housing and mounts a lot easier with it, doing it this way. So, yes, that's what we're going to do.
Alright, let's get into it, mate.
Let's get going. Yeah, we didn't drain
my god, that's like 4 or 5 days.
Stop hitting your head. It's a low ceiling light. There we go. Okay. Engine lifting time.
All mounts are on.
Yep.
You are happy, Matthew?
I'm happy.
I shall do some lifting.
Just took the straw out. Okay. Watch your head on this one too. Okay. Sit it down there, I reckon. You don't need it. You don't need it.
What do you do?
Oh, you sort of do.
You sort of do, but you sort of
Yeah, because you can see it through the hole. You need a hand, you're right. You have to twist it in, remember?
Yeah. Just trying to find somewhere perfect to grab. Two very vital bolts.
Yes.
They'll end up over here.
Vital bolt the ones that hold the engine mount to the car.
What's this, man? Is this important?
What? Oh, this goes on the up. This goes on. That's why that bolt's so long. I'm betting. Benny, this goes like... that thing on it. Yeah, it does.
Now, what's this for?
Huh?
What's this for?
What's what for?
This bracket.
Actually, no, this bracket doesn't do that.
What does this bracket do?
That's probably an engine now.
Well, I had to, obviously.
Yeah, well, I don't know what that's for.
Face that challenge when you get there.
Yeah, we'll face that challenge.
Did you need to put this thing back on?
What thing?
This alignment spacer fucking doohickey?
No, that's a spare.
Okay.
I already did it.
Just checking.
Yeah.
I'm just checking.
Oh, that one might be for
That's
the
okay,
software,
Dave.
actually.
That's okay?
Yeah.
You know if this goes on like that, or if it goes on the other one?
No, it definitely goes on the other side.
Really?
I believe it's... Is it on the other side? Oh no, we've got it.
When you finish doing this, you might as well start like a jigsaw puzzle after this.
We're pretty much in the same boat.
Yeah.
I was confused with this.
Like, oh, that sort of goes there, maybe.
No, I appreciate the support, J-Day. Oh, the motor is back in. But, seeing as though we love to rush, it's now a jigsaw puzzle for us to put it back together. We can't find the engine mount bolts. They're MIA. We think that bracket goes that way, but we don't really know. There's a bracket over there that I'm fairly certain is important to something, but I can't figure out where that goes. Because I rushed and ripped it out and then claimed victory for ripping it out so quick and go, look how quick we got the motor out. I got it out in like 2 hours. And now, we'll spend at least 3 times as long putting it back together because we have no idea where anything goes.
Correct.
And if we click back to small footage, I can guarantee there'll be something in there going, no, Liam, we'll figure it out. We'll be right. Don't worry, mate. Yeah, here we are. Hey, Matty J.
Yeah.
Do you regret anything you've done in regards to ripping this motor out very quickly?
No.
If you had have put effort into figuring out how you would have pulled it out and labelled where all the bolts would go, do you think you would be happier now or more unhappy?
More unhappy because then I would have to find which bag with the bolts went where.
Do you think it may be a
I
better
reckon it's better to just go at it and hope.
Do you think maybe it would have been a better idea to every bolt you pull out you put back in to the spot where you can put it so that you don't have to...
Can't. In a lot of places you can't do that, and then you just end up with a tray of bolts like we got anyway, so... And then by the time you put the bolts that you know where they go back, then you just got a tray of bolts that you don't know where they go anyway. So I think we're alright.
Well, we're definitely not alright,
No,
but we're definitely not alright.
no,
We're
all
somewhere
right.
in the middle.
No, we're definitely all right. I can tell you that. Because I know exactly where everything goes.
A few moments later.
Hey Matt,
Yeah.
you forgot to put the pickup on.
No, I didn't. There's a pickup there. That's a spare one.
There's 2 there. There's 2 fucking pickups there. Did you forget to put it on?
Yes. Fuck. Ugh. That's so annoying. I swear I had it on. But I didn't because there's 2 there.
Focus. I want to stab you right now.
We can definitely take the sump off without.
Matthew, tell the camera what you did.
I didn't put the oil pickup on.
How far along are we?
Well, we've got every bolt back in. I'm sure we can take the sump off without removing the engine though.
I did it. And it's a...
No, it's not too hard.
You're going to have to take the engine mounts out. Like, disconnect the engine mounts.
Yeah.
Jack the whole thing up off the gearbox again.
Yeah.
Then you can drop it from there. Because I did that for the first time because I didn't pull the motor the first time to do the sump.
Alright. Goddamn.
Matthew, that's massive. That is more than 6 mil.
No, it's not.
The question is, I feel like we've done this before. Like literally only the other day.
Yeah, we did. Well, I did.
Why are we doing it again, Matt?
Because someone forgot to put the oil pickup on the engine.
That is much more than 6. That's the better part of 10 there, mate.
Yeah, well, whatever.
So you lied to me.
Yeah, they can't fit you into it.
Is it thick, Matthew? Like your skull?
Thick like my skull, yeah.
If a drop of oil leaks out of this, if a single drop leaks
Who's
out,
gonna get yelled at?
you.
Me.
Because you abused me and said that I can't do it, so you will get the person that's getting yelled at. You put it thicker there than you put it here.
I'm going to fix that.
You're a bit thin there, bud. Just there.
I didn't flatten that bit out either.
You make it up in good. I think that's enough work.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Our little motor. Bolted up again, then unbolted, then parts pulled off, then parts put back on, then parts pulled back off, then things done this, then that done this.
Anything, we're learning. What are you pointing at? You're not even pointing at anything.
Point out what I want. We're not learning something that we already know.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what did you do that for?
Check the engine up a bit more.
Can't really go much more, bloke.
The hose makes it hard.
Do you want a rag, Matthew?
Yes, please. I got one.
Twit.
If anything, it's going to make the seal better because we will have done it twice. It's double sealed, Liam. It does.
I'm just glad that you're the bloke that I've chose to do this sort of stuff with.
Why?
Why not?
I don't know.
I don't usually think you're a twit, so that's good. You know?
Who else is going to do the sump twice for you?
What do you mean for me? This is not for me. You benefit from this car just as much as I do.
Where's the nut go? The other one. What if I dropped it this time?
Hey, so Matthew is putting the sump back on. He's putting the last couple of brackets back on, and then we'll be back to where we were after we realised the mistake we made. And then we're going to drop this motor down. We're going to get it back on its mounts. We're going to Sikaflex up the other gearbox mount, and then that's the main body of everything done. Then after that, we can throw the head on. We can put the turbo back on. Redo all the, re-put all the intercooler piping back on, the radiator back in, all of that, the heat shields. We have a bit of work to do to our injectors, and then after that, there's just lots and lots of little things, and we're going to be done. So this is going to be a wrap up for today's video. Matthew is busy doing whatever it is he's doing.
This is so impossible to get in there.
Anyway,
With this stupid hook. Take that off. Give me shifter, please.
you're ruining my finish. Just say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye. What do you want?
Shifter.
Shifter.
Yes, please.
To pull the thing.
I just need it. Thank you. Don't pull that thing off. It's coming off.
Don't you know?